Hey guys, and welcome back to Allison Customs Project Car TV. Today I am going to make the GTO backseat fit this car, fit the Chevelle.
Welcome back to Allison Customs Project Car TV. I'm Jeff Allison, and thank you for watching.
I've already taken the pads off the factory frame. Now I just got to make a few adjustments where it'll sit down over the hump here, and then put some feet on it so it's actually sitting down on the floor and not just kind of suspended by this one little spot here in the center. We're going to be modifying this tunnel right in this area anyway, so we need to really make sure we're not going to be hitting that. So all of that's going to get done today. The tunnel will probably get done today too, because I've got to finish this car hopefully this week as far as getting it ready for paint. So I'm just going to keep knocking stuff out. Airbox vents are done. I think there's a video on that. And got the braces done. Got the center brace cut, the pieces that were in there cut out for the rear deck, so that we can, as we build our seat braces, then we'll re-brace that rear deck. So all that's coming. Enjoy. Come está?
And his brother. Oh yeah.
We know what makes it out of toolbox. Any keys are on there? More than you get.
Hey, well, we're out in the new shop. It's been a couple weeks, maybe even a little longer than that since the first part of this video. And I've been hanging on to it just so you guys would get to see basically the finished project or product of our efforts there on the frame part for the seat, for the rear seats. So what we got is, it was all cut down. I took it over with a bunch of other stuff that was getting powder coated, let them sandblast it, and powder coat it black just to match everything else. It's never going to be seen after the upholsterer is done, but we know it's protected essentially forever now. And you can see, especially against this white background here, you can see that how much taller. I mean, we've cut this much out of it, so we're way up here on this seat, and all of that came out of this area right here. So when we get back over to the take these over to a upholsterer, he's going to make new seat covers, and then he'll take about, I think the number was 8 inches, about 8 inches out of the middle here, and make the top of this curved seat fit the top here. So that's what you get with the finished product. Everything lines up and fits well. So that's it. I just wanted to get you guys, I just wanted to give you guys a chance to see everything as it was finished up. I know sometimes these videos, you get 90% of the project and then the video goes out and you don't see the finish because it's not, you know, it hasn't been painted or hasn't been chromed or whatever we're doing. So this is as close as I could get you to a finished project or product. Of course, the next step will be getting all this stuff to the upholsterer, and I probably won't get out. There'll be a bunch of pictures that'll hit Facebook or something else, but probably won't get a lot of video out of that until it's done, and then you'll get a full finished product, you know, product of the whole car. So anyway, there it is, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and check out the Amazon Associates page. Whatever else, man. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you again in a week.
Thanks for watching Allison Customs Project Car TV. Like us on Facebook and check us out at AllisonCustomsOnline.com.